Hello there, thanks for joining me and welcome to another video in the XP Deus II factory program series. And today we're going to be talking all about the park program. Now this program, things start to change a little bit. The frequencies are different to the earlier programs. We're using a mid to low frequency, and also we've got some notch enabled which will eliminate unwanted targets such as foil and coke. There's higher silencer settings, and also a bottle cap rejector has been introduced, so you can better hear the signals from ferrous bottle caps. But just because it says it's a park program, you don't have to stick to parks. You can use this program absolutely anywhere, especially if you just want to go coin shooting. Now let's try the park program on our test target, the Georgia Fish sixpence at about 9 inches deep. And as you can hear, it's getting it loud and clear, and it's using that square tone again. But just like the general program, I'm going to tweak the third tone, the high tone, and just to let you hear what it sounds like in the square tone. So I'll go into discrimination, expert, tones, scroll down to the last tone, which is 644. I'm going to turn that up to 881. Perfect, that's 881. Listen to the difference now using that square tone with the high tone. It's got a nice fluty sound, but it's really loud and clear, isn't it? So what other adjustments can we make to this park program to give it a little bit more performance? Well, the park program uses quite a wide notch range, so it may eliminate some of your desired low conductive targets, but it's not worth adjusting it here because our test target is indeed a high conductive target, so the notch range won't affect that at all. So let's roll down to sensitivity. Now that's at 90, and I know on this particular piece of land and on this target I can push it to 95. Once more, let's go down, keep going down. Reactivity is 2.5. Let's have a go at turning that down a bit. So this is the high tone, sensitivity 95. We've already introduced quite a bit more depth. So let's go down to 1.5 on the reactivity. I don't want to push it too much because I think it's getting a little bit out of shape there. So perhaps reactivity 2 in this instance is the sweetest sound. And that's the beauty about this machine. You can tweak it to your heart's content. You can make it sound or react how you want it. And there's an old saying in the metal detecting world is the best detector's the one you're most comfortable with. So by all means make adjustments to make this machine suit you. When you're using the park program, you'll find it very, very smooth because all those false signals have been dealt with within the software. And you're using a fair bit of bottle cap rejector as well, which deals with the big iron. So all you're looking out for really is just a solid sound. And there we go. A lovely smooth 80 on the screen. That's a nice target. Quickly pinpoint it. Here we go. There you go. Nice coin. Probably just a penny or something, but what a lovely signal. Well, that's exactly what the park program's for. It just loves coins, and because it uses a slightly lower frequency band, it's not so sensitive on those foil targets. Really smooth program to use. Don't really have to think about it too much. Oh, another signal. And it's coming up at 88. ground is so dry, isn't it? Now that's gone quieter, which probably means it's fell deeper into the hole. Yeah. There you go. No idea what that is. Could be a part of a spur or even a badge. Two targets right next to each other using the park program. When I'm using the park program for coin hunting, I like to switch on the XY screen so I get a nice straight line on a coin. The XY screen is absolutely brilliant for giving you the quality of the target. Let's just have a quick talk about bottle cap reject. Now, the park program is the only program which uses bottle cap reject, but you can introduce it into any program. And it's used to reject ferrous bottle caps, but it can also be used to eliminate big misshaped iron. So I've got a ferrous bottle cap just here. Let's just go over it with bottle cap reject set at 0. And as you can hear there, this ferrous bottle cap's coming through loud and clear. Turn the bottle cap reject up just 1 notch to 1. And even at 1, it's rejected this particular bottle cap. Bottle cap reject goes all the way up to 5, so use it as and when. But bear in mind, some bottle caps are made out of aluminium, so bottle cap reject won't work on aluminium bottle caps, only the ferrous ones.